Hello guys, welcome. If you have ever dreamt of making money online, this is going to be your best video you will ever watch on YouTube. Yes, and that's because this is not a BS, there's no bullshit here. I'm just showing you the real stuff. What I am doing, not what I'm reading. Guys, the best way for you to make money online is for you to render a service. If you have a skill like web design, graphic design, logo design, whatever it is that you can do, I will show you how to turn that skill into a money-making machine. Now, for this video, I'll show you how to start an international web design agency in Nigeria and get paid in US dollars. Now, I will also show you in this short video how I make $1,300, that is equivalent of 650,000 naira in just 1 month. And I know that you cannot miss this opportunity. Yes, before going further, I want to show you proof of my earning, how I make this money designing websites. Simple website, something that you can do. All right, so stay with me. All right, I want to take you to my Payoneer account. For those of you that have watched my channel before, you know that you remember I taught you how to create your US bank account, and so that your clients can pay you in dollars. All right, so if you look at my account now, this payment just came in today, and I decided to make this video. Today is July 15th. You can see the payment came in today, $650. Why it is showing 644 is that Payoneer has taken their own commission. All right, this is typical. This is how my month looks like, just working online, creating and offering services in the web design space for clients from all over the world. So you can see here, July 15th, I made 650. July 1st, I made 650. So if you put that together, that is a total of $1,300 in just 2 weeks. That is equivalent of 650,000 naira. Boy, this is awesome. This is possible. So if you're watching my channel, you're watching this video right now, I'm going to give you an opportunity to also replicate my system. I have put together a course to teach you how to gain this web designing skill, and also how you can make money with this skill and become financially free. Okay, so if you're ready, I'd like you to click the link below this video to check out my course, and it's gonna be this is mind-blowing. I'll practically walk you step by step. Now, this is one of the websites that have paid me this money. I designed this website. It's an e-commerce site. It's a simple, professionally made site. That's what the client has paid me for, and I will teach you how to do this. You can design sites like Jumia. You can design any website and begin to make money from international clients paying you in dollars. Forget about those who are advertising web design jobs for 20,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000 in Nigeria. I will show you how to make better money. Look at my transaction history here on Payoneer. You see income coming in July, May, you know, it's keep coming in. And don't forget, some of my clients pay me through PayPal. So, and I don't want to bore you in this video going to PayPal. I'll show you payments coming in from PayPal, coming in from Payoneer. Boy, this is really hot, and I want to invite you to really get trained in this skill, and I will take you step by step. So if you are interested, click the link, the first link in this in the description, and you will get this awesome opportunity. So I'll see you on the other side. See you in the course. Thank you very much for watching. If today is your very first day watching my channel, please, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also drop a comment. If you are in for the international web design agency business opportunity, just type in international web design agency in the comments, and I'm going to give you the opportunity of really becoming a pro web designer. Wow, this is awesome. 650,000 in 1 month, in 2 weeks. As a matter of fact, in 2 weeks, because it happened on the 1st and also on the 15th today. So you can see that. So I'm not showing you what I'm not doing. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so before we go in this video, I want to withdraw that money to my domiciliary account. So guys, pay attention. I know you like to see this part. All right, so if you want to withdraw, go to the click on withdraw. You can either withdraw your money to either your Naira account, or you withdraw to domiciliary account. So let me withdraw. All right, I have Eco Bank account here. I have GT. GT is actually my domiciliary account. I have UBA. This is my Naira account, but I want to, because it's so sweet when you touch the physical dollar. From here, I withdraw it, take it to their bookie, and change it and enjoy better exchange rate. My brother, my sister, if they watch this thing, nah, dollar is sweet. So I want to encourage you to follow me on this channel. Join me in the course. Let me teach you how to make money online. Okay, so I want to withdraw every damn thing here. All right, I'm taking everything. It's my money now. You see, if you look at it, I am withdrawing 644, but Pioneer has taken 2%, so they have left me with $631. So I'm taking it. All right, okay, so I take it. This is my freelancer payout. All right, so, and I click here. The moment I click here, say review. I click on, so check everything here. Everything is all right. I click on withdraw. Okay, they send me code. That's the way I set up my system. Let me quickly round up this video because of the rain that is falling already. Okay, all right, so I have the code now. I'm going to put my code. All right, and I click on what? Submit. Wait for it. It's processing. It's processing. Boom. Wow. Withdraw to bank. Your funds are on the way. Wow, this is awesome. So guys, that's it. I've withdrawn my money, $631. That's like 300K plus for designing a simple website. Guys, click the link below this video and join me in the course. Thank you. See you. Bye.